In today's fast-paced business world, trainers and instructional designers face tight deadlines, rapidly changing content, and the challenge of keeping learners engaged. How do you create training that sticks quickly and effectively? TrainSMART's this hands-on course will equip you with storytelling techniques, make learning memorable through powerful narratives, visual learning strategies, paint vivid concepts using verbal imagery, accelerated learning methods, engage learners with cutting-edge instructional design, micro-learning and mobile learning, deliver bite-sized on-demand training, interactive games and activities, maximize engagement and retention. Over 3 immersive days, you'll explore how to design sticky training quickly, how to create curiosity and remove learning barriers, how to build interactive communities for training success, how to evaluate training effectiveness using Kirkpatrick's model. This course is perfect for trainers looking to level up their skills and create learning experiences that drive real-world impact. With limited seats available, now is the time to unlock your full potential as a trainer. Take your training skills to the next level. Enroll in TrainSMART's Explorers Expedition today and craft training that truly sticks.